Well, the very first thing that you need is to come into the office, and we need to sit and look at your specific circumstances. Every divorce is different, and every divorce has its little complications, because every family is different, every couple and every situation is different. Sometimes people don't have a lot. They've grown tired of each other, and they're just happy to break apart. They've agreed on everything. They don't have any assets. They don't have any animosity. They don't have children. They've written it all up, and what they want to know is what next. And so the technicalities of saying we are going to fill out the required paperwork for the counties, we are going to file it, and as soon as it's filed and we get a signature that that service has been affected on this paperwork, we can set it down, because a month from now we can go in and get your divorce. You're free. Now, if somebody wants to change their name back to a maiden name, we can do that too in the context of that. So there's not a whole lot to expect. But if somebody comes in, say they've just been served with papers out of the clear blue sky, they're falling apart, they don't know what's happening. The first thing that I would tell that client is, let's just file an answer. And filing an answer and going in as a contested matter means that once that answer is filed, we are going to do what in law we call discovery, and that is we're going to gather information under oath until we know the answers to those questions. And we either will or won't be able to find it out. And so we'll take it from there. Some of our clients want to know every single step of what's going to happen. And of course, we will tell them. Some of our clients don't want to know. I like to let people have a little time to calm down after our first meeting, to think about their options. I like to go over options, first meetings, and also, what do you want? And is that realistic? Then the first formal step is we file papers. The divorce begins with a petition for divorce. Sometimes it's known as a complaint, and it's a formal document that goes into the court that starts the process. There are also ancillary documents that go with it, different reports that the different counties need, and different worksheets, financial worksheets that we have to do, child support worksheets, a lot of paperwork at the outset. But anyway, we go ahead and we file, we wait for an answer. The next process is just the legal analysis of the case and getting it started. We then go through a period of time of discovery, formal discovery, and that takes anywhere from 6 months on. Once we have all of our information, we're able to look at settling. Most courts will require us to go to some kind of mediation during that period of time. Most courts will require parents to go to parenting classes during that period of time. So we try to get our clients into a position where, if we can start hammering out a settlement, narrowing down the issues in the case, seeing what we need to move forward. After that, there are, the legalities of different kinds of motion practice, different things that we do getting ready for trial. Now, obviously, at any point here, we can opt to settle. If it is going to go to a trial, you really need someone who's got a trial background. Not everyone has it in them to be a trial lawyer, whether before a judge or before a jury. That's all I do, is divorce and child custody law. And that is, I know every last case and every last strategy, for going in. If you don't, you're going in at a huge disadvantage. You don't know the ropes, you don't know the judge, you don't know what's important, you don't know what to say, you don't know what to file, you don't know what to look for, how to look for it, or what to do if there's been a mistake made. So, you just have to decide whether you want an expert behind you or not.